G'day everybody, hope all is well. I wanted to let you guys know of what I've got on my watch list today because it's a pretty good one. First one for a while that's actually got some real good builders in the background. I'll be stalking these trades throughout the day and taking or raising orders when the conditions basically support it. So this is brought to you by FTX, by the way. Obviously, if you haven't got an account, then you need to open one because this is by far the platform that I use, the best out there for futures contracts, absolutely hands down. So below, there's a link to sign up, but more importantly, there's also a link there that will give you an understanding for how to raise orders. So don't ever forget that. Bitcoin now, tell you what, look at that. If I ever did see indecision, that's where it looks. That's what it looks like. It's down, but it's only down 0.6%, right? I wanted to see it break the low of this candle, and I still do. If we're to see good, strong downward momentum, it's got to break there. It's got to get that trend clearer. Now, you see the pullback into here, very similar to here, pull back in, but it failed. It's failed to follow through. But don't get me wrong. I want Bitcoin to go up more than anything in the world, right? I really want Bitcoin to go up. But in the same respect, I'm a trader. I'm trading a futures contract. I can go long, make money as the market goes up. I can go short and make money as the market goes down. But what I want is trend. And without trend, well, I'm sitting back. So Bitcoin's not giving me a great deal here. It is holding its ground. That is one thing I will say. It hasn't slumped too far. The week last week down 10%, as I said. We've regained about 2% so far. I'm not too concerned about that. It still looks very strong to me. I'd just love to see it creep back up, hit this, like between where we are now and where that resistance is, there's still some really good opportunity to make a lot of money throughout that period. We just need to see it commit to some form of direction. Look at the 4 hour here. You know, we do have the opportunity here. If we do push up through the high of this level, which is 9,018, we'll have a higher low and a higher high. Now look at all the space that we've got there from where we are to that resistance. We're getting a nice bit of cyclicity there. Geez, we could kill the pig, but we've got to wait. Well, I've got to wait anyway until I get that that trend back into play. So where are the options for me? Let's have a look over here on my orange list. Matek's been killing the pig. If you don't know what that means, you're probably not from Australia. It's just a saying for doing well. And I'm waiting for pullbacks. I was looking at the 15-minute earlier today for things like Fibonacci boosts. If you look back here, little cradles have popped up every now and again. I'm waiting for them to occur on the 2 hour or the 1 hour really. I pull back in, like, look at this, you know, that's the sort of thing I'm looking for. Boing, doof. Little bullish candles in that cradle zone. Don't forget, it is there. They do exist, and they are very, very beneficial for you. You've got the strategy, and guess what? FTX have actually got together now. I'm going to be working with them today on getting those videos to a position where you can see them all, and they're very easy. So you can go through part 1, 2, 3, 4 again, or if you missed it, go hit it up. Free, brought to you by FTX. Done deal. So from here, we go to privacy coins. So waiting for Matek to pull back. This has got to be my favorite chart in all of them right now, in all the perps. And here's why. Check this out. We've only got 1 test, 2 tests here, but look at these higher lows, higher low, higher low. And what this is doing, I teach this in my breakout course, it's like a pressure cooker. As price runs into this resistance and it sells off, it's selling off less than what it did the last time. Now, it's not done yet. It's not ready yet. But look, higher low here, higher low here, higher low here. You know, I just really love the look of this chart. I just need to see it come up, and you know, another test here, perhaps on the 8 hour, another test on that. If you don't know what the breakout strategy is, hey, no problem at all. Work with what you've got from FTX. Work with the cradle strategy, but we got to wait for it to break out and pull back in. But it's a really lovely looking chart, and I'm very much keen to see what comes of it. On to shit perp here. I'm looking down here on the lower time frames, to be fair. Little cradle pullbacks. Look over here. I just find the best time frame for it. It's probably going to be the 30 or the 1 hour. Maybe not. Maybe it's the high, maybe it's the real low time frames. Where are we? You know, little pullbacks, pullback, move. Pullback, move. That's the sort of thing I'm looking for. Now, it is a little bit flappy in here. It's a little bit caught up. But look, higher low, high. If we can get through and get that movement going again, get that cyclicity back. And when I say cyclicity, I mean this. Nice, smooth, flowing trends. We can get that, and it's starting. If we can get a push on, then that will be a very nice one because the trend exists. And look at the daily as well, which is really important. Look at how, you know, this daily has done a lot better than Bitcoin, Ethereum, like nearly all the charts of late, it's really sort of walking to the beat of its own drum. And that's why I'm okay to go to the lower time frames, because the daily is also in agreement. Another one that I like here, I'm looking at this on the 30-minute right now. There it is. I'll go up here. Again, what we have here, test 1, test 2, test 3, 3 tests for a breakout. It's really there, good convergence, looking really, really nice. Breakout trades, if you know what you're doing there, this could be one you raise an order on. Otherwise, a breakout and a pull back in could certainly be something that you might want to consider. One thing I will say is this, look at this daily. We got a higher low, big candle here, 7.6%. Rejection candle here, we push above there, we could really see Dragon have a good move. Why? Because of that consolidation for a long time. Have a look at this on the weekly. We've not done a lot for a little while, and we know that when markets don't do a lot for a little while, when they do pop, often they pop really, 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 really well. So guys, some options out there, a really nice start to the day to see more available to us as traders. It's been a bit of a slow period, to be fair. The markets haven't produced with that many opportunities, but it's starting to look like we may just be in for a bit of a treat. We'll have to wait and see what the day brings. But there you go, there's my list for today, brought to you by FTX, guys. Links below, check them out for orders and your FTX account. Take care, speak to you soon. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.